To quickly access and download and install Office 365, also known as 2016, go ahead and log in using your account under the Office 365 website. On the right hand side you can see Install Office Apps. You get two options. You can quickly download everything in one package, or you can select Custom Install. If you want to just quickly install everything, go ahead and click the link. It'll automatically start installing it, or downloading it so you can install it. If you want a 64-bit version or different applications, go ahead and click the same thing, Install Office Apps, and then Other Office Installation Options. And here you can actually specify if you want a 32-bit, 64-bit, and what applications will be included, and then you can do the same thing and download and install it if you want a 64-bit or a 32-bit. There are other options too, such as different add-ons and tools for Office. You can individually just install Skype, same thing, 64-bit or 32-bit. And then there's also links for installing it on your phones. When you're ready to install it, go ahead and click the link, and it'll actually download the application through the Microsoft servers. So it actually doesn't install it through or download it through the website. It pre-downloads the application for further installing, and then you install it later.